Hello. Today we'll be doing questions 5A through F. Forget about G and H, but question 5A states that we should sketch the graph. Well, we can do this both hand form or calculator form, but I'll show you hand form first. In order to do hand form, all you gotta do is choose any random number and plug it in for X. But before we do that, I just have to tell you guys that anything inside the absolute value is going to equal positive. So for example, let's say we put x equals -5. So -5 plus 2 equals 3. So the positive of -3 is 3. So 3 times 3 equals 9 minus 4 equals 5, which is the y value. But in order, or if you want to do it the easy way and do it in the calculator, all you got to do is press y equals, you'll get that, and then press math, go to numbers, and you see abs. But before you do that, don't forget to put the first number in, which is 3. So 3, math, abs, and then put in x plus 2, and then close it with the parentheses, minus 4. And then after you do that, you can just press graph, and then you'll see how the graph is supposed to look. It looks pretty the same. But, alright, but let's say that you just want to see the points. All you gotta do is press second and graph, and you'll see like all the points from the graph. Let's see if it's right. So our example was -5. So -5 is the x value and 5 is the y value. We got it right. So that's how the graph is supposed to look. And when it's an absolute value graph, it's always gonna have a V shape. Alright, 5B is what is the domain of G of X? Well, the domain will always be all real numbers for any type of graph, so don't even worry about that. It's always all real numbers. So 5C is what is the range of G of X? Well, all you gotta do is find I guess you gotta find the vertex, which is -2, -4, and just look at the y value. Since the range is the y value, so you look at the y value of -2, -4, and you see it's -4. The y value equals -4, so the range is -4. Or the range actually is y is greater than or equal to -4. And then 5D is what is the vertex of the graph of G of X. To find the vertex, you just find the lowest point, or the point that connects these two lines. And as you can see, it's -2, -4. So the vertex of the graph is -2, -4. 5E, what is the equation of the axis of symmetry of graph G of X? All you gotta do is, again, go to the vertex, which is this, and draw a straight line down the vertex, and you see that it is -2. And then, what is the minimum? 5F is what is the minimum value of G of X? It's -4 because it's the lowest value. So that's all for today, folks, and have a great day.